Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your PlayStation Vita, at the first you have to go for the settings, scroll down for devices, pick Bluetooth devices, enable Bluetooth feature, and right now you have to take a look for available devices. So I would like to connect for my smartphone Zenfone 7 Pro, so you have to select, click X, click OK to confirm, and do the same also on your smartphone. So basically accept the pairing requests from the PS Vita, and as you can see right now I am successfully connected. You can spot it right here with this green icon. When you enter, you are able to check the specs of this device, and also you are able to disconnect or just go back. So as you can see right here, we can make it. You can also prioritize Bluetooth devices with a microphone, and right here we can use the external keyboard. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.